This is a German oven-baked green bean casserole for 4 servings. Total time about 55 minutes including 20 minutes baking and 5 minutes resting. Ingredients: 6 slices of bacon, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of heavy cream, full fat, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set out a white ceramic casserole dish. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, add the green beans and blanch them for 3 minutes. Immediately transfer the beans to an ice water bath to stop the cooking. Drain the beans and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels so they are not wet before mixing. In a skillet over medium heat, cook 6 slices of bacon until crisp, about 8 minutes. Transfer the bacon to paper towel and crumble, reserving 2 tablespoons of bacon fat in the skillet. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the reserved bacon fat and sauté the chopped onion over medium heat until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. In a mixing bowl, whisk 1 cup of heavy cream with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss the blanched and dried green beans with the crumbled bacon and the sautéed onion and garlic. Pour the cream mixture over and toss to coat evenly. Transfer the mixture to the white ceramic casserole dish and level the top. Combine 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons of melted butter and sprinkle evenly over the casserole. Bake the casserole in the preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, until it is bubbling and the topping is golden brown. Remove the casserole from the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Serve the casserole warm and enjoy. Enjoy and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This German oven-baked green bean casserole serves 4 and takes about 55 minutes from start to finish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe and ring the bell for more recipes.